In this video I'm going to show you how to screenshot and screen record on a Mac. And don't forget, like the video, subscribe to the channel, thank you very much. Now on with it. There are 3 simple keyboard shortcuts you can use to do this. To capture a screenshot of your entire screen, press Shift, Command and 3 all at the same time. It doesn't look like much has happened, but it has taken a screenshot of your screen and saved it to your desktop as default. Now, to choose a specific part of your screen to screenshot, press Shift, Command and 4 all at the same time. Then the screenshot will be saved to your desktop. To open the screenshot menu, press Shift, Command and 5 all at the same time. In this menu, you can choose to screenshot the entire screen, a selected window or a selected portion. You can also record your entire screen or a selected portion. Yes, you can do screen recording from here. And now you know how to do a screenshot on the Mac, how to screenshot part of the screen and also how to screen record. And as always, if you can like the video, subscribe to the channel, that'd be fantastic. Happy screenshotting and screen recording on your Mac.